is Fatima Aliyeva from 10AP2. Today we will talk about the Milgram experiment. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about which contents today we will talk about. We will talk about when did the experiment take place, who was involved, what did researcher do, what did the study show us. First of all, who is the creator of Milgram experiment? He is Stanley Milgram. Stanley Milgram conducted an experiment testing how obedient men are when asked to do something against their conscience but authority figures. Let's talk about the goal of the Milgram experiment. The goal of Milgram experiment was to test the extent of human willingness to obey orders from authority figure. Participants were told by an experimenter to administer increasingly powerful electric shocks to another individual. Then let's talk about when this happened. Milgram began his experiment July of 1961, and in 1963, the first article of his findings was published in the Journal of Social Psychology. Then let's talk about what did the researcher do. The experimenter, you can see in the picture, there are E, T, and L letters. The E is experimenter, the instructs the teacher. T is teacher, and the experiment subject to administer painful electric shocks to learner, which is L, who is actually an actor and confederate. The subject is induced to believe that for each incorrect answer to learn was subjected to actual electric shocks. Even so, this was not the case. When the confederate was withdrawn from the victim, he set up a tape recorder that was connected to the electroshocks generator and played pre-recorder noises for each shock level. Let's talk about the results. What happened? The experiment found that very high portion of people were prepared to obey even if it involved causing serious injuries to themselves or other people. 3 over 4 of the men tested were prepared or ready to obey authority figures giving the commands. Thank you for attention. Thank you.